Weather and climate are not the same thing. Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere in a particular place, and it can change very quickly. For example, in the space of one day, it can be pouring with rain and then later be dry and sunny. Weather is measured in terms of certain things. Some of these include temperature, air pressure, wind speed and direction, precipitation, for example, rain, hail, sleet or snow, sunshine, humidity or how much moisture is in the air, and cloud cover and visibility. Climate is the average or long-term pattern of weather in a particular area. It happens over a longer period of time and looks at larger areas. It is the average weather that happens in an area over many years. The world is split into climate zones. These range from polar, which is cold and dry, to tropical, which is hot and wet, to arid, which is hot and dry. You also have temperate areas of the world. These areas generally have cold winters and mild weather summers. Another climate is the Mediterranean climate, which generally has mild winters and hot summers. The climate in mountainous areas changes the higher you go, getting colder towards the top. In a polar climate, it is generally very cold and snowy. The weather may change from day to day. Some days it may snow and other days it may be sunny. But in general, or on average, it is cold and snowy.